Technology and Livelihood Education. Agriculture and Fishery Arts for Grade 7. Week 6 Part 2. Our topic is foliar fertilizer fermentation. What is foliar fertilizer fermentation? Foliar fertilizer fermentation is the process of producing a natural liquid fertilizer by fermenting fresh plant materials or farm waste in water for several days. During fermentation, beneficial microorganisms break down the organic materials and release nutrients into the liquid. The finished fermented liquid is diluted with water and sprayed directly onto plant leaves, foliar application, or applied to the soil, to provide nutrients that promote healthy plant growth. The principle of foliar fertilizer fermentation. The process follows this natural cycle, in which the microorganisms naturally decompose the plant materials, converting them into nutrients that plants can easily absorb. Benefits of foliar fertilizer. 1. Recycles farm waste. 2. Produces organic liquid fertilizer that provides essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and micronutrients needed for healthy crop. 3. Saves money. Farmers reduce expenses by producing fertilizer from materials already available on the farm. 4. It improves plant growth. Plants become greener, healthier, more resistant to stress and more productive. 5. Environment friendly. It reduces chemical fertilizer use. Lessen environmental pollution. And supports sustainable agriculture. 6. It improves soil health. Excess fertilizer applied to the soil increases microbial activity and improves soil fertility. Tools, equipment, and materials. Tools and equipment needed in making foliar fertilizer. 1. Plastic bucket or drum, used as fermentation container. 3. Stirring stick. 3. Knife or scissors. Used for chopping plant materials into smaller pieces. 4. Measuring cup. Used for measuring water. 5. Fine strainer or cloth. Used to separate the liquid fertilizer from solid residues. 6. Spray bottle or knapsack sprayer. Used to apply the finished foliar fertilizer. Materials needed to make foliar fertilizer. 1. Green plant materials, nitrogen-rich. Like malunggay leaves, madre de cacao leaves, banana leaves, vegetable trimmings, grass clippings, weeds, leguminous plants. 2. Water. Clean water is used for fermentation. Number 3. Optional fermentation activators like molasses, brown sugar, rice wash, and effective microorganisms EM. 4. Container cover. Ink can be cloth, sack, plastic cover with small air holes. The cover prevents insect from entering while allowing gases produced during fermentation to escape. Safety precautions in making foliar fertilizer. Before starting, wear gloves when handling plant materials, wash hands after preparing the fertilizer, use clean containers, keep containers away from children and animals, do not use diseased plants, label the fermentation container. Step-by-step procedure in making foliar fertilizer fermentation. Step-by-step procedure in making foliar fertilizer. 1. Collect fresh green plant materials like malunggay, cacahuate, banana leaves, vegetable wastes, grass clippings. Avoid diseased plants and chemically contaminated materials. Point 2. Cut into small pieces. Smaller pieces ferment faster because microorganisms can break them down easily. 3. Place the materials in the container. Fill the container about 1/2 to 2/3 full with chopped plant materials. 4. Pour enough clean water to completely cover the plant materials. If using molasses or brown sugar, mix it with the water before pouring it into the container. 5. Mix thoroughly. Use stirring stick to mix all materials evenly. This helps distribute microorganisms throughout the mixture. 6. Cover loosely using cloth, sack, plastic cover with holes. Do not seal tightly because fermentation releases gases. 7. Allow fermentation. Store the container in a shaded, cool place. Fermentation usually takes 7 to 14 days, depending on the temperature and the material used. Stir the mixture once a day if possible. Signs of proper fermentation are brown to dark colored liquid, slight sour or fermented smell, no foul, rotten odor. 8. Strain the liquid. After fermentation, strain the mixture using fine cloth or mesh strainer. Separate the liquid fertilizer from the remaining solids. The leftover solids can be added to a compost pile. 9. Dilute before use. Never spray the concentrated liquid directly on plants. Recommended dilution: 1 part fermented fertilized to 10 to 20 parts of water. Mix well before application. 10. Apply the foliar fertilizer. Spray onto leaves during early morning or late in the afternoon. Avoid spraying during hot midday temperatures. Apply every 7 to 14 days. Signs of a good fermented foliar fertilizer: 1. Brown or dark tea-colored liquid. 2. Mild fermented smell. 3. No mold growing on the surface. 4. No rotten odor. 5. Clear liquid after straining. Common mistakes to avoid: using diseased or chemically treated plants. Sealing the container tightly, not chopping the materials. Adding too little water. Spraying undiluted fertilizer. Leaving the container under direct sunlight. Using rotten-smelling fertilizer. Uses of fermented foliar fertilizer: it can be used for leafy vegetables, fruit-bearing vegetables, rice, corn, fruit trees, ornamental plants, herbs, flowering plants. Advantages over chemical fertilizers: fermented foliar fertilizer, made from natural materials, low cost, recycles farm waste, improves soil microorganisms, environment friendly. Chemical fertilizer, manufactured chemicals, more expensive, does not recycle waste, may reduce beneficial soil organisms if overused, may contribute to pollution when misused. Foliar fertilizer fermentation is a simple, low-cost, and environmentally friendly method of converting fresh plant materials and farm wastes into a nutrient-rich liquid fertilizer. By collecting suitable plant materials, chopping them into small pieces, mixing them with water, allowing them to ferment properly, straining the liquid, diluting it, and applying it correctly, farmers can produce an effective organic fertilizer. This practice improves plant growth, reduces farm waste,